Welcome to the first edition of Krauss's Weather Klips. Today we're going to talk about Winter Storm Pandora. The first thing I want to talk about is what's causing this storm. Now, it's been very cold lately, and we all remember from Earth science this picture, this lovely picture that appears on the regions, that when the cold air is in place and then warm air comes in, the warm air rises, condenses, and forms a storm. That's what's happening right now. It's been very cold lately, and warm air is coming in. We're going to talk more about the warm air later. So, start time. The snow just made its way over to us from the west. The storm's coming from the west, as most storms do, because the jet stream moves from west to east. So the snow has started, and it's going now. It's going to continue for hours. Let's look at a timeline. 1 p.m. the snow begins, which it already has. Then, from 1 p.m. to 4 a.m., it will continue as steady snow. We'll talk about accumulations right after. At 4 a.m., it's going to begin to mix with sleet. I'm going to talk about why in a couple minutes. From 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, rain will taper off, just in time for me to pack up and head over to the Sweet 16 I'm DJing. And then from 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow, it's going to warm up. We're going to hit 45 degrees tomorrow. Would you believe that? After we've been breaking record cold temperatures. A record low temperature was set yesterday at Kennedy, New York. And then the thing that most people care about is the possibility of flash freeze tomorrow night. If it rains after it snows and then it goes up to 45 degrees, we're going to get a lot of snow melt. And then tomorrow night, the temperature is going to drop again. By Monday morning, we'll be at 15 degrees, which means the roads could ice over, and we all know what that could mean. So the big question is, school on Monday? We're going to have school. There's a chance of a delay, depending on how that icing goes. Because it's only going to get down to 15, the salt will still be effective. So I'll have an official prediction up tomorrow night when I get back from the Sweet 16. As for accumulations, we do want to... The thing that hinders accumulations is how much mixing occurs, which, because the storm is weaker than originally anticipated, there is going to be less mixing. So I do think we're going to get like 4 to 7 inches of snow. Whether 4 to 7 inches of snow will still be on the ground by the end of the day tomorrow, probably not, because it'll end as rain and then go up to 45 degrees, which will melt some, which will help us get this delay. Next thing I want to talk about is why are we getting rain after it's been so cold? You'd say, shouldn't we be getting snow? So what I want to show you is, that's us. Right there. This is showing winds in the upper atmosphere. So the storm is just starting to move in right now. And it's causing this warm air circulation to come in from the Gulf. That's bringing warm air in up the coast, which is causing us to get some of this rain and the warmer temperatures that we'll be getting tomorrow, rather than the Canadian polar air is not making it down to us like it has been for the past couple days, more like past couple weeks. Don't worry, it'll be back for Monday though. So that's why we're getting the rain here. So what else do we have to watch for the week? There is a chance for some snow Wednesday morning, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. And there is a chance for some more icy weather next Sunday. Thank you for watching the first Krauss's Weather Clip. There'll be an official prediction up tomorrow.